Hello, welcome back. Cooking today, beef short ribs. I'm gonna get them out, get them seasoned up with salt, pepper, and garlic, get them on the Weber Kettle, get them smoking, catching a few. All right, there she is. Got her in the pan. I'm not gonna take the membrane off. You take that off, your beef ribs more than likely will fall apart. I'm leaving it on because I don't want that to happen. Leaving it on helps the ribs stay on the bone and maintain its shape. So I'm not using any binder. Just gonna come down with salt, pepper, and garlic. Well, here comes salt. Comes our pepper. A lot of pepper on there. And here comes the garlic. It's a garlic powder. I'm gonna get the other side and the sides. I'll bring you back when it's done. All right, there she is, all seasoned up. I'm gonna try and cook this somewhere around 275 today on the Weber Kettle. Try to get it done in 4 or 5 hours. We'll see how that goes. So you already saw I got the Weber Kettle lit up, just waiting for the coals to heat up, and then we'll get her covered up and get her up to temp. Catch you back when we're throwing it on. All right, we're just about to 200. It's still heating up, but I'm gonna get this thing down. Let's head out. All right, let's get the lid off. Here we are. Ribs down, grab some wood chunks for right here. All right, a nice chunk of mesquite here. Throw that right there. And then 2 chunks of hickory for after that. You fall down. All right, let's get her covered up. Check on her in a couple hours. See you in a couple hours. Hello. I'm gonna take a look at this thing, get the Inkbird plugged in so we can monitor our internals inside. Alright, a little over about 280 or so. Coming along nice. Okay, there's a bone. We're gonna go right between a couple bones here. About 100 degrees. Got a little way to go. Alright. We'll see you in a bit. Let's go have a look at it. Been on about 2 hours. At 126. I'm not sure if you can see that, but we're still sitting about 280. Oh, that is looking excellent. I did flip it a little bit ago, so we get a more even of a cook. We'll check her in about another hour. I'm monitoring that temp from my phone. All right, let's take another look here. 153. Oh, that is looking so good. Give her a little bit more, and I'm gonna wrap it up. All right, so we're at 171 degrees. And get this thing off, get it wrapped up in butcher paper. Bring you back in a minute. All right, here she is. Got her down on the butcher paper. Get her wrapped up now. Kind of hard to do this. There's one camera here and not really anywhere to set it. Try to figure something out. All right, here we go. Get her wrapped up. I'm gonna get another sheet and go this direction. Yeah, we can get another sheet and go the other direction. All right. This and just pull you this way. And again. Okay, all wrapped up. Get her back on the smoker. All right, we're going back down. And get her finished off. Find somewhere to stick this. Pretty much where we were. Okay. Back on. All right, we'll see you when we're slicing this thing up and about to eat. All right, it's time to check tenderness. Bone. Bone. Yeah, she done. Pull it off, get it in the pan, let it rest for a little bit, then we'll slice into it. See you in a bit. All right, we gotta get this thing unwrapped. Jeez, look at all that juice. So that bone fell out as we were pulling the ribs out. All right, I'm going to slice right here between these bones. I'll try to. There we go. All right, here's a taste test. Oh my God, that is so good. Okay.
Okay, here's the taste test. Wow. Delicious.
It is still hot, but it is good. All right, we're gonna eat this thing. This is our dinner. Look at that ring. It's so good. Catch you on the next one. Have a good day.